Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to reset WhatsApp QR code. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily reset your WhatsApp QR code. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device. So this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, you need to make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. So you just search for your WhatsApp and then make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. So you need to make sure you're using the latest version of your WhatsApp account. But if it is not updated, you need to make sure you update it to the latest version. Now once you are done with that, just open your WhatsApp, and once you open your WhatsApp, you can see down here your settings. Just click on settings, and once you click on settings, you can see in front of your profile, you can see your QR code. Just click on your QR code and you can see the QR code over here. Just click on reset QR code, and once you click on that, you can see, are you sure you want to reset your QR code? If you reset it, your existing QR code and invite link will no longer work. So you just click on reset and reset your QR code, and that's it. I hope this video is very helpful. Follow for more. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video